Rotary Park isn't usually underwater, but it is. As temperatures rise, so do the water levels. This is causing concern for some residents who were here during the historic 2022 flooding. But local officials say there's nothing to be worried about. A sound that is usually considered peaceful is now a trigger for many.
I can't guarantee that nothing's going to happen, but I feel very comfortable that what's going to happen won't resemble what we've seen in the past.
Nearly 2 years to the week, Rock Creek broke its banks, taking out bridges, roads, and destroying homes.
There's a little bit of PTSD and people see the water rise and they get concerned and they get nervous again.
Rotary Park is a significant spot,
because this is where the breach was.
Went into his basement a bit.
Trinity Ferguson's family member had water flood into his Red Lodge home, but the damage was minimal.
But really it wasn't the negative impact that a lot of people felt around here.
The negative impact that the city of Red Lodge is trying to avoid ever seeing again.
So we have multiple agencies working together. We're touching base regularly, we're communicating, we all have each other's contact information. We're monitoring the situation. Right now, they have not given us any indication for concern.
While there is no major rain in the forecast during these warm days, which contributed to the floods in 2022, Mayor Dave Westwood says there are new processes in place if another flood were to occur.
We'll utilize the siren that folks in town are used to hearing go off at noon every day for about 10 seconds. It's going to sound different. Probably going to be 3 cycles of it, or something that's certainly a different tone than what they're used to hearing.
Westwood says residents should be signed up for Carbon Alert and Code Red, too. But as of now, cause for concern is minimum. Crews recently flew a drone along Rock Creek, double-checking that there aren't spaces that may be breached by rising water.
You can also see across the bank that the fence is twice as high as what it used to be, and so that gives us there's a significant amount of air between where the water level is and where the road level is. I have a very high level of confidence in the fence that's been installed that the construction workers are.
A peaceful sound that many hope will stay where it's supposed to be. In Red Lodge, Haley Monaco, MTN News.